Blooket.
Blooket.
Yes.
Blooket. Blooket. Blooket.
Blooket. Hi, my name is Henry. I'm in the 5th grade, and I'm left-handed.
Hi, my name is Charlie. I'm right-handed, and I'm 9 years old.
What do you like to do?
I like to play the guitar.
So I invited you on the podcast this week so we could talk about your use of technology at school. And I had a few things that I wanted to talk to you about using technology as well that I didn't necessarily mention ahead of time because I want to get your true answers based on just kind of where you're at right now in your lives. So Henry is in 5th grade, finishing up 5th grade. And Charlie, you're finishing up 3rd grade, right? Very good. And yeah, I forget you can't see me right now, so you didn't see what I did. You'll see it whenever the video goes up. So I asked you a couple months ago what kind of technology you use in your classroom, and you both just started rattling things off and telling me all about it. And I thought it would be interesting for me to actually get to really listen. I think when you were telling me about it before, I was driving, so I really wasn't able to listen to the whole thing. But I asked you both what you use in your classroom. And I do know that you both told me that you use Chromebooks in your classroom. Is that correct? You both have a Chromebook that you've been given to use at school?
Yes, I am.
So I'm curious about that. What's the process of you getting your Chromebook each day? Do you each have your own? Do you put it in a certain spot at the end of the day? How do you charge it? Those types of things.
You want to go first?
So let me see. I'm going to talk to Charlie first. So Charlie, when you go to your classroom, when you go to your classroom at school, do you use your Chromebook every day
Pretty much.
or just some days?
Like,
So what's your
every day.
process of getting your Chromebook out? Like every day you use it? Pretty much every day, most days?
I have to wait in a line for the box thing that charges it, that has a bunch of chargers in it, and you can put your computer in a slot, and then you take your charger that has your number on it, and you put it in your computer, and you have to wait until this little white light turns on.
So Char, at the end of the day, do you put it back by waiting in the same line, I'm assuming?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Where does it stay during the day? Do you keep it at your desk, or do you only pull it out whenever you're going to use it?
I only pull it out when I need to use it.
Got it.
Like at his desk, I'm
But at my desk in my reading class, I have to keep it on the desk because I can't fit anything in there because there's another person that sits in there.
Well, that's cool. Do you have a password that you use to get into your Chromebook?
Mm-hmm.
Or do you just open it up and it goes straight into it?
I have a password.
So you have a password?
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Do you tell other people your password?
No. My teacher knows it.
Right. So you get to take yours from class to class to class, right?
Yeah.
Pretty much. I don't have 2 classes, but
we only have
That's
2
cool.
classes. So.
Yeah, we both have 2 classes.
So you have 2. And you have 2.
Mm-hmm.
Why have we never talked about this before?
Oh, no.
Because usually I ask you 2 about school and you just say, it was good, it was fine. You don't tell me all these details I didn't know.
You never really asked this. So.
I never put you in front of a microphone with some pretty cool headsets on, huh?
Yeah, sure.
So I asked you both what types of things that you used your devices for at school, and you both gave me quite the list. So which one of you plays Math Playground?
Both of us.
Both?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then which one of you played, was it called GimKit?
I did.
Charlie, you told me you play cool math games.
Mhm.
Both of you told me that you play Blooket.
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 Yeah.
Yes.
Blooket. Blooket. Blooket.
Blooket.
It doesn't really matter.
Blooket.
Well, it can be Blooket too. It can be Blooket too.
Blooket. Blooket.
Yeah, basically. It doesn't matter.
I'll tell you a secret. I actually pulled this website up today because I knew we were going to do this so I could look at it first. So this was the main one I wanted to talk about today. And you know what it says on the website?
What?
Is
Blooket.
that it's Blooket.
Blooket.
Like the word
Blooket.
blue and
Yeah, I
then
know.
kit is what it said
It
on
says
there.
that.
So
I saw that,
yeah,
but
Blooket.
Yeah.
Blooket.
Blooket.
That's
But the
like
teacher
the
said-
background of
the
So how well can you two describe that activity, that website? And I actually used it today, so it's fresh in my mind. So let's see how well you two can describe things. Which one of you wants to give me an overview of Blooket?
I do. Yeah, your teacher makes you a game, and then like you can pick from a set of games like Gold Quest, Crypto Hack,
which is my favorite.
Racing, Battle, Cafe, and Factory, and some others. Oh yeah, and Fishing Frenzy
Classic.
too.
You can sign it for homework, which is not going to
Okay.
be good.
And you can, yeah,
You can.
you just answer questions, and once you get the answer correct, then you can like pick something, or like pick like hack or triple gold or megalodon. Like you get a megalodon if you get a fish. Yeah.
Also, at the end of the
Okay.
game, when you see the scoreboard where you're like, you can see what place you got in. You can see first, second, and third on the teacher screen, but you can see what place you got in if you're logged in.
And your percentage.
Ooh.
If you're logged in, you can spin a wheel and you can get coins and get different skins and stuff and backgrounds.
Yeah, and you can make your own
character.
You can make your own characters and games. for yourself.
Yeah. So you can play with your friends when you get Fun Friday.
Ooh, okay. So that's a fun kind of a game.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty much. It's also educational.
I played the one today. I played the cafe.
Yeah.
Cafe's hard.
Cafe's good. I like it.
My favorite is
My favorite's Gold Quest.
And I was
Crypto
answering some random trivia.
Yeah.
my favorite is Crypto Hack.
My favorite's Gold
Okay.
Quest.
Very cool.
And Fishing Frenzy.
Fishing Frenzy's fun.
That's cool. I'll have to try those out.
Yeah.
Mm.
And
Yeah.
make sure to log in.
Let's move on to
The next segment.
I
Spy.
and I.
It's AI.
Do you boys even know what AI is?
No. Hey, let me see.
Kind of. Like, it's like
AI
a
stands
robot.
for. Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
pretty much.
Charlie, do you know what AI stands for?
Robot.
No.
It stands for artificial intelligence. You know who you like to use for your robot, your AI?
What?
Siri.
Hey, Alexa. Yeah, Siri is another one. Alexa. But you can use AI now to do all kinds of things. You boys know the video that I made to put on our social media to tell everybody that you were going to be here this week? I used AI to generate the pictures that I used of us. And I typed in Canva. I said, give me.
AI put those 2 eyes on you? The ones
Yes.
like these?
I don't know if everybody noticed that. So I made the picture using AI, and I said, give me a picture of a 10-year-old boy with headphones with blonde hair. And then I said, give me a 9-year-old boy, and that's how those came up. And then I said, give me a woman with blonde hair and headphones. And they did. And then after I looked back at it after I posted it, and I saw that I had three eyes. It gave me 3 eyes. And there's kind of a piece of another one. So I have like 3.25 eyes on my picture. It's because it was AI generated. So that's where I spied AI this week.
Yeah.
It was pretty funny. Do you guys want to switch to another segment?
Yeah.
I want to do tech tip of the week. A tip so good it'll make you flip your chair.
Flip your chair. Woo-hoo!
All right, the tech tip this week. I'm going to get a tech tip from you guys this week. Can you give me a tech tip this week? I'm going to ask you a question, and I need you to give me tips, okay? You ready? How can Auntie be cool and play Minecraft on YouTube? What are your tips for playing Minecraft? Go. Tell me all about it. What do I need to know to be cool? Build a house, okay?
Build a giant house with diamond walls.
Don't use TNT.
Diamond walls, okay.
Do not use TNT.
Don't use TNT. Will that blow it up?
Yes. That if you put it in your house and you light it on fire, it will blow your house up. And
well, that seems to defeat the purpose of building the house, so that's good to know.
I know a bunch of people go on survival and do it, but we just like to do creative. Because then you can fly and...
Okay.
And you don't get killed a lot.
Yeah, you won't get killed.
Oh,
well,
you can fly?
Yes, you can fly.
Oh.
Yeah.
But to make your house really...
You won't get...
tall.
You can fly!
Like Superman.
Okay. Interesting. So I've heard that Minecraft is played in schools a lot. Do you guys play it at school?
No.
Not at all.
No. Knowing that you've played Minecraft before, do you understand why it would be used at school?
Yes.
No.
Why do you think that it would be used at school?
I think it would be used at school to get kids to be creative.
Well, have you two enjoyed being on your first podcast ever?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Is this something you think you'd do again sometime?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll have to teach you some things so that you have more technology knowledge, or you'll have to come up with questions for me so that I can teach you things, okay?
Okay. Sounds great.
Do you have any last questions for me?
When will we be on the podcast again?
I don't know. We'll have to see. Maybe sometime this summer.
Yeah.
Next week.
Next week.
Oh,
You're going to be a recurring guest?
Yes.